Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a Pretty Little Thing haul. Now I have this massive parcel, and when I say massive I mean massive, full of lots and lots of goodies. So I hope you guys have lots of time because today's haul is going to be a big one. Alright, let's open it up. Alrighty, now the first item that I got a mix of different things. I'm going to Melbourne in 3 weeks, so I needed some winter clothes for that, but I also did get some skirts and shirts and all that kind of stuff. So the first item that I got is this leather look mini skirt. Now it's high-waisted. Now I'm pretty sure I got this in a size 8. So you'll see in the little try-on demo that I put up that it is a little bit too big. So I would recommend, if you're about my size, to maybe go for an extra small, which I would say would be about a size 6. But I love this. I love that it's that really rough cut around the edges. It gives it sort of that undone look. And yeah, I really like that. So that was the first item. And then the second item I got is a tracksuit. So I got the top in a grey. It's just a cropped hoodie, super warm and super comfortable. It's coming into winter here in Australia, so I absolutely love comfy clothes like this. And these are the pants that go with it. So super cash, but you can also dress it up at the same time, which I really like that. Now I also got another tracksuit, same design as the first one, but in an orange colour. Now I have to say I'm not annoyed because I still like the colour, but in the photo of the girl wearing it, the model wearing it, it was more of like a peachy pink, not orange. But that's totally okay. I do love both colours just as equally. And these are the pants that come with it, same as the grey set, just like that. One thing that I will say that I'm kind of a bit like about is they're sort of slightly different in colour. Now I don't know if the camera is going to actually pick it up or not, but I would say the pants are probably old stock and they're faded a little bit more, as opposed to the hoodie is a bit more of a deeper, bit more vibrant, if that makes sense. But that's okay, I'll still wear it together. If anyone else is like me, I don't return clothes, just don't return them. I probably should, but I don't. Now, and I got that in a size 8 as well for both. Now I also got this checkered, sort of pleated mini skirt, high-waisted as well. And I love that it has this sort of like, I don't know what you would call it, like frill that comes down at the front. I got this in a size 6. And it fits like a glove. Only thing I would say is the material is a bit rough or itchy, as you could say. So if that's going to bother you, then I wouldn't buy it, but I don't really give a shit, so easy done. Now I also got a pair of leggings. These are just plain black high-waisted leggings. Now I was a bit iffy on buying leggings because I know some things from Pretty Little Thing do come very thin, and I will say the material of these ones, look, for $15 you can't complain, but these ones are quite thin. So look, they are a little bit see-through, but only if you're going to be wearing bright pink undies. So if you're just going to be wearing like seamless nude colour undies, you'll be fine. I've got my whole right leg tattooed up until my bum, and usually if you can see my tattoo through any piece of clothing, I will not wear it. This, thankfully, you can't. So that's a win-win. I also got another set of the same tights, but in a sort of tealy blue colour. Same again, high-waisted, slightly see-through but not fully see-through, and it's a totally different colour to what I would normally go for. And with the tights, both pairs, I got a size 8 for those. Now I also got this cropped t-shirt in a red colour, and I also got it in a baby blue colour. super cash, super easy. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I love that. Staples in everyone's wardrobe. Quite a thin material, but it's a shirt, so it doesn't really matter. Only thing I would say is the neck is quite high and small, so I don't really mind it, but on a really hot day I won't wear it because it annoys the shit out of me. And they were both in a size 8 as well. I also got this cropped orange boob tube. Now the material of this is amazing. Like, I seriously think I paid $10 for this, and that is so cheap. And once again, I got that in a size 8, and it fits absolutely perfectly. The material's sort of like kind of satiny, if that makes sense. It doesn't have shine to it, but it's stretchy. Kind of like tights material, if that makes sense. The next item that I got is just this black t-shirt. Now it's a tight fit, it's not an oversized t-shirt. I did get it in a size 8. And yeah, I love it. Just again, another basic staple to go in everybody's wardrobe. And the front of it kind of gave me Gucci vibes, so I loved that. Also got this jumper dress. Absolutely love it. It's a different type of jumper dress, but I love that it has this like strap that you can tighten through the middle, and it just sort of clenches you in and gives you a bit more shape, as opposed to a normal jumper dress or a t-shirt dress. They can sort of make you feel a little bit bigger and not give you too much shape. And it's very, very thick material, full cotton, and yeah, I absolutely love it. Super, super comfortable. I also got this lilac-y dress here. The back of it is crisscross with a couple of straps like that, and when you wear it, the front actually drapes like that, and it's so beautiful, and it's so flattering on the body as well. Super comfortable, and it's double lined, so you do not see anything through it. It's quite thick. A different color for me again, but you know, all about branching out and trying new things. Oh my god, absolutely love this one. This one here is a silk dress like that. Now it goes full sleeve, but you can roll it up if you want with buttons on the end. Goes quite low cut, but you can sort of wear it crisscrossed a bit more and you don't see any cleavage. Brought in at the waist, so it gives you some shape, and it's a great length on me as well. I got this in a size 8, and it's in like a champagne-y gold color, and I love it. It's so pretty. Also got another dress, go figure. And this one here is like, I thought it was grey, but when it came, it's kind of like, it's grey, but it has like a purpley lilac colour to it. And it looks like this. Now, it's just your normal strap V-cut at the front. And it has like a slit on the side, so your leg can have a little peekaboo. And I absolutely love this one. I did find though that it was kind of sewn a bit dodgy, and I thought maybe it was just the dress sample itself, but I've seen other girls on Instagram and YouTube buy this exact dress but in a different color, and theirs was sewn fine. But the seam on both sides is pretty dodgy, but one side's worse than the other. I don't know if you can really see it in the try on video over there, but it's, yeah, quite crooked, and when it sits on, it gapes up too much where it pulls your shape out, but I don't really care. Another item. I told you guys this haul was going to be huge. I absolutely love Prettylittlething. Seriously, I've ordered off them before this, but not a big order, and sort of got the gif on some of their sizing, but I love it. It's so cheap. Now I got this black play suit. I absolutely love this one. It's like chiffon mesh. I don't know, I'm so bad with materials, but got this at a size 8, and yeah, just a normal play suit, low cut at the front. It's double lined, so it's not see-through at all. Great material, super lightweight and super comfortable. Also got this basic Chicago t-shirt. Now it did say oversized, but I didn't want it to be crazy oversized, so I did get it in a small, and it fits perfectly. I wouldn't say like it's oversized. Some shops' interpretation of oversized is like crazy shit it's nearly hitting my ankles oversized, but this is perfect. They've got that down packed. I've seen a few girls once again on Instagram and YouTube that have this, and it's just a perfect staple. Goes with high-waisted pants, jeans, skirts, so many different things, and it's black, so it goes with everything. Now I also got this oversized t-shirt dress. Now it has a collar around the neck, buttons that go all the way up. You can wear the sleeves long or short, up to you. I've also worn it with a belt to sort of cinch you around the waist to give you a bit more shape, because like I said before, some oversized shirts, t-shirts, dresses, whatever, can give you that sort of square blocky shape. Love this absolutely so much. It's one of my favorite items. It's this slouchy cropped knitted jumper. Now it's sort of, I wouldn't say it's turtleneck, it's sort of the neckline sits up like that, so slightly turtle, but it's not, you know, really tight around your neck. And it's got 3 different colors. So this is actually the front of it. It's like a nudie peachy color, and then the back I'd call it like tan, but a different tone of tan maybe. But yeah, I love it. It looks so flattering on. It goes with, once again, jeans, shorts, skirts. It is just really, really, really comfortable as well. So that will be having a lot of use in Melbourne. Thank you. I get this long crop shirt, so long sleeves, crop at the front, but I did order this black with white stripes, but they ended up giving me white with black stripes. Not complaining, totally fine with it. I probably will go back and buy the black one as well, because the black one was really, really nice. Now I've also got this denim jacket. How nice is this? Honestly, the quality of this is stunning. It's thick, it's real denim, it has all the buttons at the front, and the sizing is perfect. The one thing I would say is the wrists are made for elves. It is so small. I can get my wrist through it, but not out of it. So thankfully they've got the buttons, so I'll most likely just roll them up so I don't have to worry about getting my arm out of it the whole time. But yeah, has a few distressed marks on the arm and around the back like that, and very frayed at the bottom, and I love that look. So yeah, I'm very happy with that purchase. Got this white hoodie. Now this is what I was pairing with the teal tights that I got. I don't know, I just have this vision in my head, and it looks nice. Probably with some like white Nike flip-flops or something like that, but who can go wrong with a hoodie? And I absolutely love white, so maybe ask me in 6 months and we'll see what state this is in still. But yeah, super basic, warm for Melbourne when I go, warm for here because winter's coming in, and yeah, I absolutely love hoodies. Now I also got this, I think they're called waterfall jackets. I'm not 100% sure because it's the first time I've bought one. Something different for what I wear. Like that. Now it's super long, it goes down to about just past your knees, and it's in that tan nude color, and it comes with a strap that you can tie up around your waist like that to cinch you in at the waist. You can tell that it's cheaper made because like all they've done is overlocked around the edges of it, but I like that look and I don't really care because I go through clothes like that, so the fact that if it's not going to last me 10 years does not bother me one bit. It serves its purpose, and regardless, you could pay $200 for a coat like this and I guarantee you it's going to last the same amount of time as a $40 coat like this. And this was cheap. Like Prettylittlething always have 50% off, if not 40 or 30, and it's cheap. Like you really can't complain about the quality of some of it when you're paying such cheap prices like that. But when you get such good bargains for cheap prices, we're all just like, yeah! Now, I also got these, I don't know what you'd call them, I think they're called cargo pants. so different for what I would normally go for, seriously. Like, they're kind of the same style as what like your camo pants are, like army style pants. So they I'd like tape it in around the ankle. I'm not the biggest fan of the waistband. If there was at least a button or a buckle or something there, I think it would look a bit more flattering. But either way, super comfortable. I got these in a size 8. I just went on a holiday a couple of months ago on a cruise, and I come back like 3 kilos heavier. Shh. And I'm struggling to get rid of it. It will not budge. And when I put these on, it fits me perfect around the waist because like I'm so tiny there. Fit me perfect around the ankles, but when I got to my thicker thighs, they're hugging. And it made me go, shit. Maybe I need to give up my cheese, my chocolate, my lollies, my coffee, my ice cream. You get the gist. So yeah, I will still wear them, but when I do wear them, I'll be eating salads all day. Now, the second last item that I got. I absolutely love these pants. They are bright red flare pants like that. Super long, and they flare out at the ankles like that. And it has, I don't know, kind of like a little bit of leopard on there. Some gold and tan nude vintage florally patterns, I guess you could say. I'm not 100% sure. Double line, so non-see-through, and I absolutely love them. They are so flattering around the waist. They just flare out with your legs so nice, and yeah, I absolutely love these. Now, for the last item, these bad boys. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but seriously, these are like so nice. They're like a suede, fake suede material. I think they're about a 4-inch heel. I got these in a size 7, but I will give it to you. They are ankle breakers. They are so uncomfortable, and when I say uncomfortable, the boot itself is quite comfortable, but it's just the fact that the heel is quite high. I think it's just, I don't know, because I swear I've got heels the same height as this and they're not that bad, or I'm just becoming a pussy and I can't wear heels anymore. One or the other. They are still gorgeous regardless if I wear them or not. I can look at them and go, shoes. So yeah, love those. So pretty much everything that I did get in this haul was either a 6 or an 8. I went a little bit crazy. When they have 50% off, it's hard for me just to buy 1 or 2 items. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you want more hauls or what kinds of videos you guys want to see. I love doing hauls and I love shopping, as every girl does. So yeah, just let me know. And also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me. And if you are following me as well, don't forget to turn on the notifications, as YouTube doesn't like to notify everyone when my videos come out. And yeah, just looking forward to putting out more videos and growing this YouTube channel, and I can't do it without you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Say hi to the camera.